guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be tips and tricks for Black Friday at Bath & Body Works. So I'm so excited to bring you this video. Different location, you know, this is the kids area, but I'm in this location right now because they at school, you know. So I'm filming from where I edit and where they game. So this is like our den area. So that's where I'm at today. I have no makeup on. Not one bit, but that's okay. Skin popping. Okay, water in the back, that's how we get the skin popping. And y'all, I want to tell y'all about this water real quick. It's real good. It's Richard's rainwater. I got it at HEB. This bomb, and look at the packaging. This sad. I even buy groceries with cute packaging, but the packaging, I mean, with the raindrops and it's pink, it's so cute. Okay, raindrops, drop tops, is that how you say it? Okay, I'm old, I'm done. Okay, bad and bougie. Okay, out. Bad and bougie out. All right, so anyway, back on topic. Today's video is about the Black Friday sale. I almost forgot, at Bath & Body Works. If you didn't know, that's going to be coming up. It starts next Thursday because they will be opening their doors. You got to call your store to see exactly the times that your Bath & Body Works is going to be open, but they will be open on Thursday and then Friday, of course. Well, check your store to see if they're open on Thursday. Some stores are open, some stores won't be. I have all my notes here for Black Friday, and I want to go through each and every one of them for you. So I wanted to talk about VS Pink real quick. I know this doesn't have anything to do with Bath & Body Works, but it's all L brands, but they'll be opening their store on Thursday as well, and they're going to be giving away Sherpas with a $150 purchase, and I think something with a $75 purchase. I think a tote or something. So you can definitely check that out. If you like VS and Pink. I am starting to lean more towards VS and Pink than Bath & Body Works, but I like both. Like, you see I'm rocking pink right now, you know, a sham, but I like both stores. So, and they're both L brands, so whatever. You might hear some noise too because I got my windows open, letting that air circulate throughout the house, you know. But anyway, yeah, Bath & Body Works. So they're going to be having a gingham print tote bag. I'll put it right here. Life Inside the Daily Pages Finds or something, whatever it's called. You know what I'm talking about. I'll go get her name right one time. But anyway, Bath & Body Works Daily Finds. Put her picture right here. She showed us the gingham tote, and the tote I am on the fence about. I don't know if I want this tote or if I don't, because I know if I get the tote, I'm going to be exchanging out a lot of the products in it, because they let you exchange the products out. Not when you get the tote, you have to wait like a week or something, the store associate said, and then you can switch things out. But I'm not one of those people that like to switch products out. I ain't got time for that, like, because this is what comes in it. You get the whole set. You get 3 items, excuse me, from what is it? That one I don't like. In this, not In the Stars. Oh, I didn't like that last year. I still don't like that. But what's the new one? The Night. Yes, Into the Night. That's what I'm thinking of. Into the Night. So you get 3 items from Into the Night. You get a gingham hand cream. You get a gingham 1-wick candle. You get a champagne toast soap. You get a champagne toast 3-wick. We all love champagne toast. And you get a hand sanitizer. I believe it's in gingham as well. And I don't know about this tote. The tote is between $30 or $35, but the thing is you have to spend $30 or $35 before you can get the tote, and then you put the tote price on top of whatever you purchase, and it's like, that gets kind of expensive. But the good thing is they do let you stack coupons. So if, let's say you got the mailer coupon 10 off 30, plus you had a coupon that came, the physical coupon, you can stack those 2 coupons together in a 20% off or something. You can stack like a mofo. They let you stack. That's the good thing. That's one of the things they let go and slide for Black Friday. But I just don't know. Everything in stores will be buy 3 get 3. I mean, you can buy 3 candles, get 3 candles, but again, I don't think there's no need to buy any candles until candle day. I like candles, but I'm not in love with candles, and I don't know why a lot of you guys think I love candles, but I like nice fruity candles. Like, I do, but I'm not a candle hoarder, and I'm not a big candle hauler. Like, I'm just not. Like, I may do, y'all might see every 6 haul will be candles, because I'm not that big on that. I'm more of a body care, because then that way I can use it and then I can give things away to others. But candles, I don't know. So buy 3 get 3 on those wouldn't be a good deal. I'm thinking about getting lip glosses so I can get 6 lip glosses. So I'll buy the 3 lip glosses and I get 3 free because Grace is loving the hot cocoa and cream lip gloss. So if I can get 6 of those so I can hoard them, that would be worth it to me because that's something that I would benefit from. They possibly will be having a Land of Sweets sale that week, where it's going to be $4.95 for the body care for Land of Sweets, so be on the lookout for that. I don't know if that's true yet. It hasn't been verified, but that might be the Friday flash sale for Black Friday. Land of Sweets for $4.95. Land of Sweets is really pretty packaging, very light, very light. So packaging wise, it doesn't disappoint. However, you know, that's Bath and Body Works for you. Back to the gingham tote. I don't know, I think it's really pretty. I don't think it's going to be worth it in my opinion for me because I don't like Into the Night. I don't like that line that much, so it's not worth me going ham to get this tote. And the tote is cute, but I have like 10 VS totes right now, so I don't really see the need to have another tote in my life. And then I'm going to be exchanging items out, and I just don't like exchanging items out. It just seems like it'll be a lot of work, so that's why I don't really want it, because it's a lot of work. I just want to go in there and get the lip gloss deal and keep it moving. But you can go in there and do everything in stores, because everything in stores is going to be buy 3 get 3, but you have to pay for the highest priced item. So I don't recommend get 3 candles then turn around and get 3 wallflowers for free. That's not a smart deal. Don't do that. That's not smart. But I don't know, the only thing I could see myself really getting is the Land of Sweets, the soaks. But I really want to see if they'll go for the low on SAS. So I'm kind of trying to wait that one out for SAS. I know y'all, I'm all over the place, but I just don't really know. Like, y'all might not know this, but I'm cheap, and I try to let y'all know this a lot, like telling y'all about cashback and all that, because I'm cheap. So I budget a certain amount for these sales. And I want to say this as well while I'm talking about budgets. If you cannot afford to go to Black Friday, do not go to Black Friday at Bath and Body Works or anywhere, because if it comes between you keeping lights on at your house and going shopping, honey, your lights come first. You can shop another time, because it no longer becomes a sale and a good deal if it is cutting into your living, if it's cutting into your bill money, if it's cutting into you being able to get something for your kids, if it's cutting into you getting something for your job that you needed to get, or for your car, or for anything. If it's cutting into those expenses, it's not worth getting. And I will tell you this every time, just skip it. Skip it, pay more later. Skip it, pay more later, because you gonna be sitting here with no lights on, but you're gonna have some new candles. I guess you can use them candles, huh? Because you're gonna be needing them because you ain't got no lights. Like, so I think that's really important. Even though you see us haul a lot here on YouTube, I'm very transparent with you guys. I get paid to do this, and I use the fundage from YouTube and from my other avenues like Ibotta and Rakuten and all that to shop these sales. And I'm very strategic, even though you might be like, oh my God, she hauls all the time. No ma'am, I'm very strategic on what I spend, and I give myself a limit, and I stay within the limit. I know how much my channel makes. I know how much from the channel that I want to budget towards something, and I can use what I buy for the channel as a tax write-off, since YouTube doesn't take taxes. I am very, very strategic. I just don't go into a store and just go ham. I'm not, because I know I got 3 kids to take care of, and these kids depend on me. So I wanted to say that too. Like, don't go to these sales spending money you ain't got. Don't go and put them on credit cards. Don't do all that. Budget accordingly. Budget accordingly. And what you can't afford to do right now, you just can't afford to do. Who are you trying to impress anyway? Like, seriously. So I wanted to get that out the way, because a lot of people, they see our hauls a lot and they think that, you know, we just waste all this kind of money, and people don't realize that we're YouTubers and we get paid. Some people get paid more than others. I'm very fortunate that I make a little bit. I'm not gonna say it ain't enough to live off. Trust me, it ain't enough to live off, but it's enough to make sure that I can pay a bill and I can go shopping all month long for my channel, on behalf of my channel. So I really do thank you guys as subscribers for just helping to make it possible that I can haul, because I get to show you guys things, because YouTube gives me a check in order to show you guys things. So I use that back into the channel, and I pay a bill a month with it as well. So I really do thank y'all for that, for watching the videos, because that's what helps me out to be able to afford the items that I buy to show you guys anyway. If it wasn't for y'all, then I would be like, oh no, I can't buy all this. but I'm able to budget accordingly thanks to you guys. So I really do want to say that. But back to the Black Friday. I just wanted to get that out of the way because that was on my heart. Like, I know a lot of people watch us haul, but y'all gotta understand how this works, and I like to be very transparent. But the tote, I don't know, I'm thinking I'm gonna skip it. If y'all see me with the tote, I'll be surprised, but I just don't think I want it because I don't believe it's the best deal because the products in it. So I might be skipping it. Again, buy 3 get 3. You can stack coupons. I'm trying to think what else I could tell you about it. It starts on Thanksgiving. I told you about the Land of Sweet sale that might be happening the day after, and just be prepared for the craziness of the malls, because you know Black Friday and then, you know, Thursday people are all over the malls, so the malls are going to be packed. You already know they're going to be packed, so make sure you plan your time accordingly. I would recommend leave the kids at home. If you can leave the kids with a family member that you trust, or your husband, or anyone that you trust, very important that you trust, leave the kiddos behind because it's going to be packed. And I think kids shouldn't have to be at Black Friday events. If you have no choice, then you have no choice, but if you can leave them at home, that's probably best. That way you can focus, get in, get out, and it's not like come on, you know, especially if you have multiples like I do. Like, I will skip a sale before I take my kids up in it, so it is what it is. But yeah, go in with a plan of attack. Leave your bill money at home. That's a good thing to say too. Leave your bill money at home. Go in with a plan of attack. Don't overspend, and just enjoy yourself. So if you've been saving for this time of year, enjoy yourself, girl. Have fun. And if you didn't plan, well, guess what? This is the time to plan for next year. Put a little $3, $4, $5 aside each week and keep in an account that you don't touch, and it's just your Black Friday account. But guys, I'll come with another video when I do the candle day, how to plan for candle day and save for candle day and save for sales. That video will come. That way I can explain a little bit more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It made sense to help you guys with Black Friday, because it's gonna be lit. But if you're not prepared and ain't got the money, it ain't gonna be lit for you. So have fun at the sales, guys. I'll be there, and don't worry, a big Black Friday haul is coming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.